We encounter a lot of total knee replacements in practice. Do you know the most recent practice guideline? Hi and welcome back to Physiotutors. Yadi et al. Published a new practice guideline in 2020. For this summary, I'll go over the moderate and strong postoperative recommendations based on the current evidence. The first one is about ice. Ice is recommended for pain management and physical therapists are encouraged to educate patients on the use of it. The second recommendation states that physical therapists should incorporate motor control training. Examples are balance, walking, and movement symmetry exercises. This will enhance balance, walking function, and improve activities and participation in everyday life. The third one might surprise some people, but neuromuscular electrical stimulation is recommended to improve several factors including quadriceps strength. Physical therapists should design, implement, teach, and progress patients who have undergone a total knee replacement in high-intensity strength training as early as 7 days post-op to improve function, strength, and range of motion. Progression should be based on avoiding excessive swelling, pain, or prolonged soreness following the intervention. A fifth statement by the authors endorses consideration of several factors that could influence prognosis. Negative factors are a high BMI, depression, and comorbidities. Interestingly, diabetes did not influence outcomes. We as physical therapists should be quick to start treating these patients. The current literature provides a strong reason to start 24 hours post-op to reduce pain, increase function, and decrease hospital stay. These were the strongest recommendations for treating patients with a total knee replacement. Let me know what you think of these short videos. I'm Max for Physiotutors and I will see you in another video. Bye.